With a state as big as Texas, transportation is one of our top needs and priorities. That means addressing many issues: traffic, construction, maintenance cost, age and condition of roads, and of course, private property rights. In recent years, highway maintenance and construction have been funded through bond proceeds. But today, bonding programs are exhausted, declining by more than 50% just this year. What we need is a strategic vision for statewide transportation and a way to pay for maintaining and expanding our highways, railways, ports, and airports. At the Texas Real Estate Political Action Committee and Voice for Texas, we believe this vision is one that includes granting permanent, sustainable funding sources through the Texas Mobility Fund and the Rail Relocation Fund, and one that allocates gasoline taxes appropriately and ensures accountability, transparency, and public involvement. As the statewide organization that gives private property owners a voice, we also believe that the rights of homeowners and landowners must be respected. Transportation is an issue that affects us all, and in a state as big as Texas, we need a transportation system that works for everyone. Won't you join us?